Good morning. It's Lisa with Lisa Heal Yourself. And today we are going to talk about stage 2 of the brain retraining process. So if you haven't watched my video on stage 1 from yesterday, please go back and watch it. Stage 2. Okay. So stage 2 is about challenging our negative thoughts and our negative beliefs. It's about all those constant ruminating thoughts that we have in our mind, like, oh my God, oh no, here it comes. I can't take this. I can't do this. I'm never going to get better. What about the future? How am I going to do this? I can't do this, right? It's all those insecure thoughts and feelings we have. I'm not strong enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not capable enough. I don't think I can do this. I don't want to do this. I need someone to help me. All these challenging thoughts that come on when the symptoms get intense, okay? Intense symptoms make these negative thoughts swirl in your head. So if you've had some of these thoughts and you're thinking it's really hard to brain retrain, when you think about something like manifestation and when you use positive affirmations to challenge negative thinking. So if you would say something like, I am healthy, I am healed, I am healthy, you just don't buy it, right? And that's too big of a step from where you are. If you have just a challenge getting through the day because the ruminating negative thoughts are going crazy because your symptoms are also going crazy, you need to really spend most of your time in stage 1. Stage 2 is where we begin to retrain those negative thoughts. We begin to retrain the brain. But again, it's not a full retraining. It's baby steps. It's getting our feet wet with this. So you may not even know how to challenge all those negative thoughts, and that's okay. You don't have to be perfect at this. But every time you get a thought that says, I can't, I don't think I can, I can't do this, I want you to just, in your mind, we're gonna focus on 3 things. And the first one is messages of safety. So you don't have to change I can't do this to I can totally do this. If your brain says I can't do this, I just want you to say you are safe. If your brain says, I don't think I can handle this, this is getting out of control, I can't handle this, I can't do it, I can't hold on, I'm not strong enough, I'm not capable enough, I am safe. Okay, you don't have to challenge every thought. We're just going to challenge with messages of safety, messages of love, and messages of belief. Those are the 3 areas that we want to try to take baby steps in for brain retraining, okay? Because you can't get there all at once. But for every negative thought, you can simply say, you are safe. You are safe. You are safe. It's only one phrase that you have to remember. And even if it doesn't make sense in the context of the negative thought, you can still say it. You are safe. The other thought is focused on self-love and love, okay? Love and self-acceptance. So, I love you. So, I can't do this. This is spinning out of control. I'm not strong enough. Those types of thoughts. I'm never going to get better. I love you. It's that higher self talking to you. You're safe. I love you. Okay? I love you. Everything's going to be okay. You're safe. Everything's going to be okay. I love you. And then the belief. We also want to work on those messages of belief. I can't do it. I'm not strong enough. All the negative thoughts, whatever they may be swirling. And we just say, I believe in you. I believe in you. So the thought or the phrases that you can just say to any negative thought across the board when it comes to your symptoms or doubts about healing or anything is, you're safe, it's going to be okay, I love you, I believe in you. There's 4 wonderful phrases that we can say. And it really, truly doesn't have to make sense in the context of what the negative thought is about. If you're spinning out about a certain symptom, you're safe. I love you. I believe in you. So what we want to do is just stop the negative thought confirmation, that negative thought spiral. The part that's caught up in the story will be saying, I can't do this, I'm never gonna heal, I'm never gonna get better, and starting to keep going. You as the self, you as the one that looks, the witnesser, the observer, just notices what's happening. And remember, step one, just unclench, take a breath. It's just really untightening the body. And then we're gonna work on our safety, our love, and our belief. So you're safe, I love you, I believe in you. You can say one of them, you could say all three of them. It doesn't really matter. But this is the type of response that you want to a negative thought spiral, or even a negative symptom spiral that won't settle down to anything. Just rather than get caught up in any kind of negative mind chatter, just continually, I love you, you're safe, I believe in you. This is key. Please don't think that's going to change the symptom. It will not change the symptom. It will most likely not change it. That's okay. Nothing has to change. The change is happening in your reaction to it. So it's very small. It's like in part one. Go back and watch stage one again. That's what we're doing. We're looking for these small changes. In stage two, we're using our thoughts, right, to small changes. We're not shifting the symptoms. We're not making anything different. We're not even doing anything different. We're still in the exact same situation, only instead of confirming the thought, I'm never going to heal, with, oh my God, it's so hard, I can't do this, I'm never going to heal, right? Those are just a thought that is another confirmation, another confirmation, another confirmation. That's what a spiraling thought is. One negative thought, and then a whole bunch of confirming negative thoughts. That's what gets into a spiral. As soon as we notice a negative thought, we're going to react and respond with, you're safe, I love you, I believe in you, everything's gonna be okay. These are the statements that we want to say to ourselves, and then that's it. Another thought comes in, this is our response, this is our reaction. It's a slow change, but over time, if you are consistent, and you may feel crazy at first because you'll be saying these sentences in your mind continuously all day long, but that's okay. After a few days, after a week, the brain will get the message, and you will be saying it less and less to yourself. So again, I'm safe, I love you, I believe in you, everything's gonna be okay. You can just say one of those sentences, all of those sentences, whenever you're spinning out in a thought, in an emotion, in a pattern, or in a symptom spiral. And even if it doesn't change anything, the consistency of doing this is the foundation of brain retraining. And this is what we're working towards, so we can take the full action of brain retraining. Just like that child puts her hands down to do a headstand, is not going to do it in one day. We first need to get the foundation. We need to get that center of triangle right, the weight distribution, so that the rest of it becomes easy. Okay, this is the heavy lifting. This is the part you're going to do over and over. It's very subtle, doesn't take a lot of work. It's very calming. You're not challenging it in any way. Just, I love you, you're safe, I believe in you, you can do this. So again, safety is one big thing we're working on. Self-love is one big thing we're working on. And belief in yourself, belief that you can get better, belief that you can do this. Boil it down to the essence of those statements, and that's how you respond to everything. Continually, it's like a broken record in your head. This is what we want to hear. Go back to the last video, watch it. Unwinding our tension is another thing that we want to be doing continuously, as well as practicing meditation on a daily basis. We can quiet our mind, and also somatic tracking, so that we realize we can sit with intense symptoms without having to do anything. I hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you in the next one.